Welcome to the 2019 GMC Sierra Elevation 1500. The Elevation truck's powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine emitted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial with trailer mode, as well as 4x4 automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push-button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control for front driver and passenger, as well as heated seats, integrated chiller braking system, as well as USB ports and an outlet. The vehicle does have the all-black interior with Bose audio speakers and our heated cloth seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. We do have the Bridgestone and Lenzo all-season tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, stationary running boards, Elevation plaque on the front door, 5.3-liter on the front fender. Coming to the front of the Elevation, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. We do have the blacked out grille and parking sensors with tow hooks up front. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows. This vehicle does have the Rhino rack system, as well as the hard bed cover, 4x4 badging, a color-matched rear bumper with our LED brake lights, trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, and a backup camera on the tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we do have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost and extra headroom over top, solid roof with LED lighting, dual USB ports, as well as rubberized floor liners have been installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the 2019 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.